And a big bill can have other uses. And a few plants formed a closer relationship with their sexual messengers. This is Angel's Trumpet, and its flowers are enormous, 20 centimetres long. The nectar is produced at the far end of the tube, out of reach of most hummingbirds. This coronet simply doesn't have the means of reaching the nectar. Only one bird can sip from the angel's trumpet. This one, the swordbill. Its bill is actually longer than its body. It has the longest bill, relative to body, of any bird in the world. And that remarkable beak and equally long tongue allows the swordbill to feed where no other bird can. And a big bill can have other uses.